Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Roblox error message that you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. Error code 268, leave. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser of our choice, and I'm going to have a link to this Roblox server status page in the description of the video here, guys, so you can see if there's any issues being detected on the servers. It should show up here, and if you have to check back in a few minutes, it should say if it was updated. I'd recommend just checking back on this. You can see a history of different issues that were detected on the servers, so definitely worth taking a look at. You can also attempt to just close out of here and actually just relaunch your entire computer. And hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem as well. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.